Welcome to Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Today we are going to make small pizzas. Okay, so right now, what is this bread called? So this is pizza bread, and we put in some Hunt's tomato sauce. And actually we added, what is this? Pesto? Yeah, pesto. In another video, I actually taught how to make pesto. I'll link it down below para matutunan ka din kayo kung paano gumawa ng pesto. Okay, so here's it. You just spread it around. So quick and easy. Okay, so now we're putting in some cheese in the pizza. This is mozzarella cheese. Nabibili siya sa supermarket na string na siya. Nakahati na siya. Cheese. Okay, so now we're finished with the pizzas. Now we'll be putting this in the oven to heat up and bake. Okay, so the pizzas are now in the oven. We have put this in around 10 minutes. Or maybe mga 5 pa lang nga eh. And then, nandun siya sa both sides, upper and lower side, to cook. Okay, so this is what it looks like after 5 minutes. Kung mapapansin nyo, medyo brown-brown na yung mga side niya. That's when you know it's finished na. So, everybody, here we have it. Some nice baked pizza bread for you. Made out of basil sauce. Take it away. Hear the crispiness. Oh yeah. Check out the cheese. It's oozing out. Alright, everybody. So this is how you make quick and easy pizza. Thank you for watching this episode of Lutong Bahay with Nanay. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure guys to subscribe. Bye-bye. Wait. Okay. Look at the cheese oozing out. Yeah. Thank you for watching this episode of Lutong Bahay with Nanay. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and share it with your friends. Let's all make sure that we are healthy as can be and all eat amazing great food all day, every day. And let's just all take care of the earth and the universe and everything else. I'm hoping the best for you. Riches, love, family, relationships. I hope you all have the best that is possible. I'll see you in the next video.